It's a 2017 Audi A4. With a chiseled profile, luxurious cabin, and German-engineered performance, this A4 is the ultimate go-getter. And it was completely redesigned for 2017 with improved power and fuel economy to go with added technology and safety features. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Exhilarating performance and passionate design connect for an unrivaled driving experience. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.